Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Today's Friday. Hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend coming up. We are finally getting our garlic planted here. It's a warm day outside, but Lord, the wind is howling today. We'll be taking you out in just a few minutes. This is some of the garlic we had bought from the farm stand over in North Carolina. Real nice people. All we seen was the man that day, but super nice. I hear Dixie under the table there chewing on a snack. Our little youngin'. She hadn't done that till we started the camera. We can hear you, Dix. But anyway, first off we gotta bust them open, get the little cloves out. And we'd learned this here from about 6 acres. Take the end here and then you just take it and hold on to it and push it on the table and it'll bust it open there. Alrighty, should get started.
Show them again because it didn't show.
Oh, okay. Take this here, your stem here that's dried, just hold it in your hand. And then just hit it like that there and it'll bust it right apart. Now she's getting her dry dog food. You go right ahead, Dixie. You're not a bothering us. Get your energy for up here planting garlic.
And that piece comes right out.
I have to hit that again. That is extra. Let me see that piece come out. See, I guess that's one there.
This one's
Alrighty. How many we wind up with? 152? 152. I'm going to take the poke here now, go up there and put some sulfur, powdered sulfur in it, shake it up good, and then we'll start planting it. See you in just a minute. Alrighty, all we're using is this dusting sulfur. Gonna put some of that down in the bag. We had seen this one in my gardener. Of course, the wind's gonna blow it right up in my face. Just put some down in there. It won't take a whole lot. Put this back away in its dry area. And then when I get done, I'll try to sprinkle some around on it there. This worked for us last year. Yep. You see down in there? We'll have some left in the bag here to where we can pour out also. All right, I'm gonna go up here. You can see our cover crop, it's come up good down here. Goats must have seen us. already. Throw our sandbags on there to keep it from getting blowed away. And then we won't do it today. We'll get some straw and put on it for the winter time here. Like I said, it's a warm day today. If the wind hadn't been blowing the way it was, we could have got the plastic up on the high tunnel, but we did get a door fixed on there yesterday on the lower side. When we get done planting the garlic, I guess I'll probably, yeah, let's start up there on that end. Oh, gracious. Don't be breathing that stuff, little girl. But yeah, nothing happens. Saturday there, or Sunday, I believe it's Saturday, we'll get the little ones planted there to be coming up. Should have got a rake out, that way we'd know where to plant them.
Yeah.
And we're just pushing them in. We'll get Carolyn, bring the camera up here in a minute, just show you, right or wrong, this is just the way we've done it last year. It worked out really well for us, and we'll do it again this year here also.
That's a smart idea.
Yeah, I wish we'd done it. I'm in your row though now, ain't I?
Right. There's my way. Scoot it over just a little bit. There you go.
Here, you go through and start putting them, laying them out down through there like that. We've got a little bit of fence out there. What I'll do when we get the straw and put on top of it, I'll lay that fence across the top of it there, and hopefully that'll help keep the straw from blowing away.
And the chickens from...
Yeah, and the chickens.
They may not like the garlic, but they're with the soft dirt.
Yeah. No digging, Dixie.
You don't need to dig.
It'll be another year before you have to dig taters. No.
Digging, honey.
Alrighty, we've got them planted. Now, hop up out of there. Let me throw some. Come on.
Come here, Dix.
Hop out.
Come here, Dixie.
We actually may wait till tomorrow to put the. Let me try it a little bit here. I'll use some of this that's in the bag. We may wait till it's less windy. I just need to come up and do it before we get the straw on it. Oh! Come on, Dix.
Dixie, no.
Let the wind slow down here just a second. Next week, it's supposed to get really cold. Shug, the camera's looking over this way.
It's looking right at you.
Okay.
I've got it right on there.
That'll work. Tomorrow I'll go and get us some straw. Now the sulfur is supposedly, from what the MI gardener said, is to help with disease and also to help it keep from rotting. That's, like I said, last year is the first year we had grew garlic, and we're just going by what he said. And I believe Annette, I believe they actually used vodka. Put their, don't hold me to it, but I believe Annette over on Cow Emporium, I believe that they used vodka. I'll have to go back and look at that. And she said that was for disease also. Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe, Lord willing. We'll see you Monday. Maybe snowing by Monday from the way they're talking. If it is, we'll show you. Have a blessed weekend. Also, let's see. Please keep Shelby and her brother and Karen Brewer in your prayers, and also Debbie from Debbie's Kitchen. She's been having a rough time of it also. Please keep her in your prayers.
And Granny Wilson.
And Granny Wilson on Celebrating Appalachia, Tipper's mom. Please keep Granny Wilson in your prayers also. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Thank you for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.